Today, I'm going to show you how to connect to MySql database, carry out operations in MySql server, and change MySql database to pandas dataframe using Python. Well, first, we need to load all the required libraries. So here I have used two different libraries. One is by MySql, and another is pandas. And please notice I have imported pandas as RSD. And then we can define a connection to connect our MySql server. So here host is the path where our MySql server exists. So in our case it is localhost, and user is the user that is associated with MySql database, and the password is the password that is associated with the same user. And after defining our connection, we can define a crosshair object. And now let us define a query. A query is a statement that basically tells what we want to do with our MySql server. So you have to take care of MySql syntax while defining a query. Here, I would like to see first what databases are available in our MySql server. So I just wrote show databases. Then simply we can execute our query. Well, then we can fetch all the databases that are available in our MySql server. And after fetching all the databases, we can iterate through all the databases and check what databases are available currently in our MySql server. So let us do it. Wow, great. So these are different databases that are currently available in our MySql server. So you can see all those databases. Now we want to navigate to the database that we want. However, we need to define again a different connection to navigate to that database. So we're going to do it. Define our connection same as above, providing the path, username, and associated password with the user. And however, we need to define another additional thing here, which is name of the database where we want to navigate. So here I'm going to navigate to the Shakila database. Yes, simply now we can define our crosshair object. So now I would like to check what different tables are available within our Shakila database. So for which, first of all, we need to define a query. Now let's execute it. Yes, we have already written a code to execute our query. Now we can fetch all the tables and check what tables are available in that particular database. Yes, now we can iterate through all the databases and just see what tables are available. Wow, so here we can see there are a lot of tables. Oh, so there are many tables, but I'm particularly interested in this city, so I'm going to work with this table further. Cool. But now we don't need to define another connection, but we need to define query. So this query basically tells what actually we want to do with our table. So here, first of all, I would like to see what different data are available in that table. So I'm going to import all the tables and check what data are available in that table. Well, okay. So now we can change the MySql data to pandas data frame. And for this, we need pandas library. No, not feed actually. So it is RST. So as you remember, I imported pandas as RST instead of feed, and you can import whatever as you like. So read SQL. So here we need to provide two different parameters. One is query and another is connection. So our connection is data underscore base. Well, yeah. So just run the code, and now we can display and check our data and see how it looks. Wow, look great. So this is our data converted into the pandas data frame, and we have 600 rows and 4 columns. But don't forget to close your connection after you are done. This is all for today, and take care. Bye.